Today we're going to review the TOPABYTE car's total interior cleaner. My grandfather used to always put Armor All everywhere on his cars when I was a kid, when I was growing up. And I started to too for a while, but then I stopped. So this is an alternative. This is the Super Cleaner Protectant, or the TOPABYTE car's total interior cleaner. TOPABYTE sent me this to try out. This is what comes in the package. You've got one bottle of cleaner that has just the nozzle right there that you use. It comes with a sponge and it comes with a cloth. You put this cleaner on the dash, you wipe it down with the sponge, you wipe off the detergent with the rag. It's suitable for all parts of the car. It cleans quickly without any water or any harmful ingredients. The TOPABYTE car's total interior cleaner is a premium cleaning solution designed to rejuvenate and maintain your vehicle's interior. With its advanced formula, it effectively cleans, conditions, and protects various surfaces including leather, vinyl, and plastic. This all-in-one cleaner ensures a spotless, fresh interior with minimal effort, making it ideal for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. If you would like to purchase some of this cleaner for yourself, the link is down in the description. It's a consumable item, so you might, in order to save shipping, you might order a couple. And if you use the promo code SPINNER, you'll receive an additional 20% off your purchase.
All right, so I'm just gonna take off the lid. I'm gonna shake it. It doesn't say to do that. This looks like a foaming lid to me, so let's see what happens. Yep, there's a little foam like that. Let's use this little thing and just spread it around. Now this is supposed to be all safe. I look at the ingredients and it just says it's a bunch of different types of surfactants. I don't believe it has anything that would be considered a soap or a detergent in it. A surfactant, of course, is something that is supposed to sort of decrease the surface tension of water, which allows water to soak into things better. Lots of cleaners use surfactants, but according to the label, that's almost all that's in this, which is, I guess, why they're able to claim that it's completely safe. We talked about Armor All earlier, and I think Armor All has a lot of other types of things in it. Now, it says you can also use this on your screen, so I'm going to try this. Put that on the screen here. Oh, there it goes. Oh, and I'm supposed to wipe it off, too. Okay, so let's move to the next stage for some of this. And we'll wipe it off. Didn't look like it really needed to be wiped off. It seems like it's just kind of soaks in. It does look like there's a little dirt on this, so it seems like it did actually do something. But yeah, it does sort of look like it's moisturizing it. It doesn't seem like anything bad will happen if you just leave it on. Like it's, I'm not seeing it leave any residue or anything.
Before you did it, there were some streaks here that were visible. They're gone now, and I've tried to wipe those off at the car wash before and didn't have any luck.
Okay. Okay, this is where the dog likes to stand with her little dirty feet, so we'll clean this off. It's probably got some sort of, you know, grime on it, even though we do wipe it down at the car wash regularly. It just looks better, right? Let's see what happens to this other type of surface. This looks like it really could stand a cleaning. So let's get this wiped down. Now it does say not to do things like suede or certain types of textured leathers, so I'm not going to put it on this, which has a texture. And I am just putting it on these harder surfaces. I'll wipe this down. That seems like it did a pretty good job. It's pretty nice, actually. Looking at the ingredients, I was kind of skeptical that it was going to do a whole lot because it didn't seem to have much in it, but what they chose to put in it seems like it does what they claim to do. I believe it did say that you can use it on the glass too, so if you get it on your window, it's probably not going to hurt anything. Look how glossy that looks. Again, I'm avoiding this textured sort of...
the Alcantara?
This, yeah, whatever you call that suede-like substance there. I just want to stick with the things that have the smooth finish. This looks really good, especially on this new carbon fiber piece that we've installed. It's nice. All of it looks good, actually. So they do say you can use it on glass, so we're going to go ahead and do this window here. can't tell if I've got streaks or not. You might be able to see it from your angle better.
Actually, what I think are streaks are actually the shadow of your hand.
Okay.
So
That looks pretty good to me.
all right.
All right, so this TOPABYTE pillow aftermarket that they sent us also had a little scratch. Since we got it, we're going to try using our TOPABYTE cleaner on this. And that seems to have done a great job. Looks like it took it right off. Look at that. There you have it, folks. You can use your TOPABYTE cleaner on your TOPABYTE pillow. All right, so my final thoughts on this so far, I really like it. I was pleasantly surprised at how well it did. The interior of the vehicle really looks a lot better. I would say that you definitely want to thoroughly wash these cleaning items before you use it again. Also, I noticed that there are two sides to this polishing cloth. There's the soft terry cloth side, and then there's also a smoother side, which I assume you can use for polishing like your glass and stuff. We didn't show that, but it is a nice feature. Also, I wanted to tell you that even though it felt like I was using a lot, this foaming head really does distribute your product very evenly, so there's a lot left in this. It feels like it's still full, even though we've cleaned the entire interior of the car with it. If you would like to purchase this TOPABYTE interior cleaner for your vehicle, we do have a link in the description, and if you use the promo code SPINNER, you'll get an additional 20% off your entire purchase.